What's up, guys? We got a Iowa Interstate train coming through. Beautiful day today. Here she comes. This long grain train here. The cool engineer on that train. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe and like EJ's Trains on Facebook. Follow me on Facebook or EJ's Trains on YouTube. And got a pretty good little following on Facebook, and YouTube is growing. But please subscribe to YouTube and follow me on Facebook, EJ's Trains. Start speeding up once they get through the township. They're at a 10-mile-an-hour restriction right now. But he's almost, the engine, once the engine gets completely through the township, they'll start picking up speed. Here come the end right now. Guys, once again, thank you for watching EJ's Trains YouTube channel and also EJ's Trains on Facebook, and hope you enjoyed that. Take care.